In this tutorial, we'll learn how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok in just a few easy steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your device. You might see a notification saying you have turned on restricted mode. To disable it, tap on the profile button at the bottom of the screen. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Content and Display section. Under it, tap on Content Preferences. Here, you'll find the option for Restricted Mode. Tap on Restricted Mode to open it. You'll see that Restricted Mode is currently enabled. To turn it off, tap on the toggle button next to it. TikTok will ask you the reason why you want to turn off Restricted Mode. Select a reason that fits best for you. After selecting, tap on Submit. Now, if you browse TikTok, the restricted content will no longer be blocked. You'll also see a notification saying you have turned off restricted mode. And that's it. You've successfully disabled restricted mode on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.